Let me show you how to create different types of curved text in Blender. Press Shift-A, go to Curve and create a circle. Press Shift-A again and create a text object. Press Tab, then Ctrl-A, and type your desired text. Resize the text as needed. Now, select the text, go to the Modifier panel, and add the Curve modifier. In the Curve Object section, select the previously created circle. By pressing the S key, you can scale the text inside the circle. Select the curve, go to the Segment section, and use the Switch Direction option to change the text position inside or outside the circle. In the Font section, choose your desired font. Go to the Spacing section and increase the character spacing value to fit the text inside the circle. You can also adjust the text by increasing the font size. Select the text, go to the Modifier panel, and add the Array modifier. This will stack the text into a cylindrical shape. Press Shift+D to duplicate the text and scale it from the center. If you deform the text along the negative x-axis, you might face mesh issues. To fix this issue, follow these steps. Remove the curve modifier. Right-click on the text and convert it to a mesh. Press Tab to enter edit mode, select each letter, press P, and choose separate selection. Select a letter, go to the Modifier panel, and add the Remesh modifier. Set the mode to sharp and increase the octree depth value. Select all letters, then select the letter with the modifier applied. Press Ctrl-L and choose Copy Modifiers. Right-click and select Apply Visual Geometry to Mesh. Right-click again and select Join to merge the letters. Select the object, go to the Modifier panel, and add the Curve modifier. This time, set the deform axis to -x. The mesh issue should now be fixed. Select the curve, go to Edit mode, select Segments, and use Switch Direction. And that's it. You've successfully created and modified curved text in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.